My people are the salute. E don tey well well wey I do anything for this my video channel. In fact, make we just dey pray say nothing go make our life reach point wey depression go come affect us. Una know say when I stop that time, people for my family, I lost 2 sisters. As person dey think that one, my nephew pass away. As we dey think that one, one of my sister husband die. So the thing just, e tire me, make I no lie. E tire me well well. You know say dem dey talk say depression dey come for different form o. If person dey things dey happen wey just no good for person life, you go start to dey think different kind thing. Your body go just weak, you no fit do anything again. I pray say anybody wey dey that kind situation go find help. But I thank God for life. I thank God say I still dey strong, and by his grace I don comot for that place where I no wan talk to anybody, I no wan see anybody, I no wan crack any joke, that kind thing. Just dey take life one day at a time. Anyway, to die na something wey go happen to all of us one day. Our prayer be say by the time wey our time come, we don do all the thing wey God send us here to do, and people go remember us for good and not for bad. So as we just start now, this coming week, I go find story wey I go share with una. Plenty things don dey happen, things wey dey happen for Nigeria, the politics, the poverty, the scarcity, and now on top of that, the money no get value again. So we get plenty things wey dey my mind wey I wan talk about. But as I post this one now, una go let me know which one make I take start. And if possible, I go try see whether my friend go follow me, make we talk the matter together. Because plenty things dey happen for this world now, and e go good make all of us dey focus, make we no let too many things dey trouble our mind all the time. So I go see una next week.